Hey my darlings, my name is Abigail B. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Today I am in central London to come to the WOW exhibition. It's an interior designer's playground. I have been wanting to come to the Chelsea Harbour's exhibition for the longest time, and I'm so glad I'm finally here. So it's in Imperial Wall, so it's in the Chelsea Harbour, and it'd be really interesting to see if I'm able to see some yachts in the middle of central London. It's just quite weird, but yeah, come and see and explore with me. As you watch this vlog, I'm going to take you through an experience through the eyes of various interior designers who contributed to this exhibition across the world. This was one of my favourite rooms in the exhibition because it resonates really well with my style. I love the opulent touches and of course the monochromatic theme. Now I want you to pay particular attention to the wall. At a glance you think it's wallpaper, but as you come closer it's actually wood. The texture that it brings is absolutely amazing and I was in awe. I also loved the marble detail it had on the wall light sconces, and adding this with brass features and very futuristic touches made this room unique and beautiful. Alexandra Dawley's design was my absolute favourite and I'm now obsessed with her. I love the ambience touches, the theatre room, and it gives that romantic kind of ambience to it as well. I love how dark and moody this room is with a sense of opulence. I also really appreciate the way the artistry has really been significant in this room to this very detail. It's bringing modern and traditional. This is the excellent produce of when you perfectly collaborate Zen and luxury. They executed this to perfection. The details in this design was absolutely amazing. I love the modern touches and it gave that very calm ambience to there whilst also paying attention to details. If I was to do my bathroom again, it would definitely look like this. This was exquisite, a marble bath. This is taking luxury to a whole new level. This is when money causes no hindrance and you can go above and beyond. I really love the Art Deco theme in this room. I felt like I was on a cruise ship. Now I'm going to stop the voiceover for a bit because I really want you to take all of this in and fully experience the creativity here. I'm going to let the music take control and allow you to delve really deep into the designs and appreciate the finer details. definitely recommend for every designer or aspiring to attend such events to gain inspiration and learn from others. It was such an insightful event to be in, and I cannot wait to visit others. I learned so much here, and I can't wait to execute some of these designs and be influenced by them in my clients' designs and also in my home. There's also like loads of shops in this design centre, so we're gonna go around again because it was just a quick kind of run through. So the lighting is quite bad. It's nice, but it's bad as well. So yeah, we're gonna go through again, take our time, take it all in, take some more pictures. I'm gonna do this reel that's really interesting. I might show it at the end of this video. But yeah, so we'll go through, have another look, and then go into the shops, which you're going to love.